In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create curve-controlled animations in 5 minutes. Let's create a plane. In edit mode, type I as in India to extrude inward, E to extrude upward, and S to scale. In object mode, Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. What's going to happen if we put array modifiers to this mesh? They will look like separate meshes. To fix this issue, we must go to Edit mode, type A to select all, and remove the stacked vertices by using Merge by Distance. Let's use Ctrl R to add a loop cut. I'll remove the subsurf modifier for now, and apply the array modifiers. In edit mode, let's select all vertices, and go to Merge by Distance to remove the stacked vertices. 279 vertices were removed. I'll place the mesh from the world center like this, and start to work on the curve-based animation arrangement. Let's move the mesh's origin to geometry. Time to add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button before extruding. In edit mode, type A, V, and A to smooth the curve. That's A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. I'll rotate the mesh from the top view, and place it like this. Once we use the curve modifier, we'll see the effect. If we move the curve, then we'll see the smooth movement of the source mesh. The curve can by any shapes, and we can use this method to create the most difficult but smooth animation patterns. Let's create a 100-frame animation. The trick is to keyframe the animation and hiding the curve from the scene afterward. I'm keyframing the first and the last frame by hovering the mouse over location and typing I to set a new keyframe. On frame 50, I'll move the curve on the x-axis and set a new keyframe. There is the curve-based animation. This is only one example. We can create completely different animations by using other curve objects. Let's link the curve circle instead, and try to move the curve circle. R, X, and 90 to rotate the curve circle 90 degrees on the x-axis. In edit mode, select these two curve points and type S and Z to scale them on the Z axis. There are a lot of other unique animation patterns we can generate by using this animation method. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.